Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, day in the life of the window cleaner. We've got 16 cleans to do today, so join us. The dream team's myself, and I've got my two sons, which is Matthew and David. See how we get on. Here we are at the first one. It's just a few doors down from my house, so it didn't take long to get here at all. It's going to be windows and fascia soffles and gutters, so with all three of us it won't take us too long. It's not a big property neither, so let's crack on and get the first one ticked off. You'll see as well, we use the muck-off brush, claw brush, this thing here. It's great for, you'll see I'll just chuck some B-roll in for you, David using it, where it's great at getting all the cobwebs off where they sort of hang on around the brackets on the fascia soffles and gutters as well, and in the tight spaces that your brush can't reach. This is great, obviously, for the lower stuff. The upper stuff, we just do the best we can with the brush. Okay, it's that one done. Doesn't take long with three of us on the bungalow, all windows for this one. So that's the second one down. We've got 14 left to go. While we're there, we got asked to quote up a job. So while I'm still working, my son Matthew got out Google Earth, and we used that to do the measurements for fascia soffles and gutters. So that's what we've done. We've priced it all up, put it into quote and sent it as well. So that's all done and dusted, packed away, and the admin done. So that's the advantage of having three of us working all together at any time. So we can keep the flow of things like that going. Anyway, must crack on with the next cleans. Okay, it's the last clean done. Sorry about the footage, my SD card was full, so I've had to nip home, empty what was on the card onto my computer so I can carry on recording for the day. While we've gone home, we've just decided we'll have an early lunch. We've re-bombed up the fan with water, so we're good to go now for the rest of the day. So now we've got 9 left to do for the day. The next one we're going to, we cleaned the windows a couple of weeks ago. They asked us, can we clean the face soffs and gutters? So we've done the quote, which was accepted, and we've managed to find a spot on for today. So we're going to clean fascia, soffits and gutters on a bungalow for this one. Catch you on the next one. Okay, face soffits and gutters done. Working as a 3 because it's a bungalow. All 3 of us did. David, he's using the 8-foot pole, which you'll see in the clips I'm going to put on here. Me and Matthew started with the gable ends. Matthew did more than me because the customer come out and had a chat with me. Got some useful information that's helping me out for something else. So that's the good thing about having good relationships with your customers, and they've been through similar things. You can get advice and get recommendations. So that's all good. Anyway, we've got 8 cleans left to go, all window cleans. So got to crack on as time's moving on. Okay, so these 2 done, 2 bungalows side by side, dormer windows. So Matthew and David worked on one as a team while I did the other one on my own. There's one that's a bit quirky to get to and out the front. There's a lot of plants and stuff in the way that can make it difficult. So I do the front on that one, and then we join up on the back of this one, which you'll see in the clips. And the good thing about these card readers, they come in handy, because that's 2 payments done by card reader. Anyway, on to the next one. Okay, we've done 4, so it leaves us with 2 left for the day. You've probably seen in the hyperlapse, we've just come to where there's 3 all together. Nice bunch of people, all know each other really well and look out for each other, so it's really good. We've just finished those, so we're off now for the last 2, and that's us done for the day. Right, that's the last one done, 16th clean of the day done. So happy days. That's us now on our way home, and if it hadn't been for the SD card issue, we had to go home and download it. That cost us an hour, so we'd have done all right on time. Anyway, hope you enjoyed today. Day in the life of window cleaner. Catch you for more videos.